Spring is in the air, and what better way to celebrate the season than with a family gathering for Easter or another special occasion? If you're planning to host such an event in your home, we have some tips to help you prepare. The first step is to give your home a deep clean and declutter. This includes everything from dusting and vacuuming to scrubbing bathrooms and wiping down kitchen counters. Be sure to also go through any cluttered areas, such as closets or the garage, and donate or discard anything you no longer need. Next, add some spring flair to your home with festive Easter decorations. Incorporate bright, cheerful colors and fresh flowers into your decor by adding pops of yellow, pink, green, and other pastel hues. Consider hanging a wreath on your front door, setting out a vase of tulips or daffodils, and putting up some Easter-themed wall art or figurines. Food is often the centerpiece of any family gathering, so plan your menu carefully. Consider the tastes and dietary restrictions of your guests, and choose dishes that can be made ahead of time so you're not stuck in the kitchen all day. Spring is a great time for fresh salads, grilled meats, and seasonal vegetables like asparagus and artichokes. And of course, you can't forget about dessert. Think lemon bars, carrot cake, or pastel-colored frosted cookies. It's important to create a comfortable atmosphere for your guests. Make sure there are plenty of seats and table space for everyone, and consider adding some cozy touches like throw pillows or blankets. If you have a backyard or outdoor space, set up some seating and outdoor lighting for guests to enjoy after dinner. If you're hosting a family gathering, chances are there will be kids in attendance. Plan some activities to keep them entertained, such as an Easter egg hunt or a craft table where they can make their own Easter baskets. You can also set up some lawn games or board games for adults to enjoy after the meal. By following these tips, you can create a welcoming and festive atmosphere in your home for a spring or Easter family gathering. Remember to take some time to relax and enjoy the company of your loved ones. After all, that's what these gatherings are all about.
Please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're looking for more content like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes on Sugarbush Trail.
Visit our channel and click here for more hints and tips about your home and garden.